In this video, you will learn about phrasal verbs beginning with look. This topic is a part of verbs. Look means to gaze towards someone, something, or in a specified direction. When put together with another preposition to make a phrasal verb, the meaning of look changes. Let us learn about the commonly used phrasal verbs using look. Look back means to think about something that happened in the past. For example, when they look back, they feel proud of their achievements. Look for means to search for something or someone. For example, she's looking for a nice jacket to buy. Look into means to examine the facts about a problem or situation. For example, the police will look into the murder case. Look over means to inspect or to quickly check something. For example, the store manager came to look over the warehouse. Look through means to read something quickly. For example, he looked through the reports before the meeting. Look up means to consult a dictionary or reference book for specific information. For example, he looked up the dictionary to find the meaning of sapphire. Now you know how to use look in phrasal verbs.